important course which is indicated to rvsm. Actually, rvsm is not an abbreviation or generic term, meaning reduced vertical separation minima, but also it's means deeply, as a deeply meaning, a very important operation for the traffic. How we can transfer traffic from 2000 vertical spacing until Air 410 to P1000 vertical spacing between the aircraft. It is very important. So we should know how to apply it well to avoid any problems may occur later, especially if you are going to speak about something which we will indicate about, we will speak about it deeply today, a violation. A violation means how the rvsm maybe violates our space and produce a lot of problem. For example, if the aircraft is not rvsm approved and this aircraft can imagine that it can fly over flight level 410 because we consider flight level 410 as non-rvsm approval airspace, but how the next airspace which going to take a control over this aircraft will deal with it. For example, if we can imagine the aircraft departing from rvsm airspace and destinated for rvsm airspace, and the pilot requesting flight level 430, for example, even it's not rvsm, and the pilot thinks he have a right to do that. It is a problem because during transition from flight level 410 for purpose of commencing landing, it will be subject for a lot of problems. For example, this aircraft will fly like that, and how to cross all this layer until reaching to flight level 290, sorry, below flight level 290 to comply with non-rvsm airspace again. He will do a lot of violation in this airspace and gonna to conflict with a lot of air traffic, a lot of traffic flying as rvsm approved within rvsm airspace. For this reason, if the controller doesn't aware about rvsm and what's going on with a deeply meaning, that means it will make a very big problem. So one of the main concepts of application of rvsm to know how to apply. So if the aircraft departing from rvsm airspace to rvsm airspace, he cannot fly over flight level 410, he can only fly below flight level 290 to avoid a violation. And it's very important.